All right, I'm going to walk you through the Google video verification process. Let me just lay this out for you. This is a giant pain. If I could do this for you, I would. I can't. But let me just tell you this. Watch the video, take your time. There is a lot of money at stake. You can get a ton of business just from your Google business profile if you have it set up properly. So we need to jump through this hoop, okay? Don't go light on it. Follow all the instructions. You only want to have to do this one time. There are three core criteria that you need to prove to Google in order to register your office address on Google. And that's going to give you a map marker. This does not apply if you're working out of your home or if you don't have an office. That's a whole different procedure. But there's three core criteria. You want to prove that your location that you've entered on your Google business page matches you, right? It needs to match everything on your business license, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so you need to tie that to your physical address. Okay, provide evidence of your business, signage, business cards, promotional materials, all that. Again, business name should match the name you entered. Okay. Verify management authority. So you want to prove that you actually have the rights to be in the building. So a great way to do this is to walk in the building before it's opened and you're going to have a key. Maybe it's a card key, maybe it's a physical key. That's great. So I would show up early before the office is open, open it up. And of course you video the whole thing. Okay. So those are the core criteria. So let's kind of break this down. So right here, what you're going to do is you're going to start with a video. The whole thing is done by video. You can take your phone. Don't do this. No portrait. Gosh, everyone's doing portrait for everything. Forget it. Landscape. You're going to stand outside your brokerage and just video just outside the door. By the way, you have 5 minutes to do this video, but I would try and do it in 3 minutes. Video the surroundings, the outside of the building with the address on the building. Okay. Very, very important. Okay. Next, provide evidence for your business. Again, you're going to have your phone. You're starting outside. You're doing the outside, right? You're going to walk in and you need to be prepped. What I want you to do is maybe you grab a conference room. Maybe it's the front desk if it's first thing in the morning and no one's there. Have your sign, one of your real estate signs. Yes, that would be great. Your license, any kind of contract, anything in writing from your brokerage tying you to that address, your business cards, all that, and get it all laid out in advance, lay it out on a table, okay? And then there you go. You're just going to go and you're just going to shoot video of it, okay? This is one continuous video. I need to make that clear. There's no cut. There's no editing, none of that. They're just going to reject it, okay? All right. So there you go. You have a brokerage apparel. You can do that as well, right? Business name should match the name you entered. That can be a little bit challenging. That's why you have the contract, okay? The contract is your name tied to your brokerage, right? And then verify management authority. That's with your key card, making sure that you go in. So you're going to do this really quickly. Now, here's the thing. You don't want to do this twice. And let me be straight with you. Most agents, they don't do it right the first time. They're not prepped and they have to go back 2, 3, 4 times. Don't do that. Don't be one of those agents. Don't make the video until you're ready, okay? Because you don't want to have to do this again. All right. So I'm going to walk you through the actual process, what you're going to do. You know how to shoot the video. Bear with me just a moment here. And let me drag a different screen over. And here we go. All right. So this is your page. What you're going to do is you're going to click Get Verified from a laptop or PC, Mac, whatever, in your brokerage. So a physical computer, and you're going to click Get Verified. You got that? Then it's going to take you to this page, okay? You're not going to have any other options. You need to make a business video. You're going to click Next. It tells you basically what I told you. You're going to click Next. Okay, it tells you, right, here you go. Make sure you have all everything we talked about. Meet the 3 requirements. 1 continuous video, 1 to 2 minutes. Good luck making it in 1 to 2 minutes. You're probably going to be 3 to 4. And then click Start Recording. Now you've got the QR code. And so from your phone, you want to grab the QR code. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and, let me scan. And then here's what it looks like on my phone. It's going to take me right over here, right? It's pretty much telling you the same thing. You're going to click next. Again, it's telling you the same thing. And you're going to click start recording. Obviously you need to make sure your microphone and camera are ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click allow. Obviously nothing's going to happen here. And there you go. You're going to click record. I'm not going to actually do this. Capture your 3 requirements and move on. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.